Everyone says that they want AI to clone them, run their business, handle all their tasks, but nobody talks about the first step. Before AI replaces you, it actually has to know you. And I'm going to show you the exact system that I use to build a data set of everything that I do, and it takes zero effort. I'm Meir. I run a company called RevGen AI, and we do everything completely with AI. But none of my AI systems would work if I hadn't done this one thing first. I track what I do all day, every single day, and I made it stupidly easy. Now, you might be thinking, tracking my time sounds like even more work, and you'd be right if you were doing it manually. But here's how to do it so it's actually usable and takes zero effort. So I use a tool called Wispr Flow, and every single 15 minutes, I get a ping right here in Slack that asks me to jump in, fill out a form, and I use my voice with this software called Wispr Flow, which lives and works everywhere on your computer. And you can just dictate exactly what you're doing in that moment. And it takes 5 seconds, and then you keep on working. By the way, if you want a free trial of Wispr Flow, there's a link down below. But here's where it all goes in my Airtable. So these are my actual time logs of every single thing that I'm doing all day, every single day. And you see there's a lot of things here. But the point is that every single entry is timestamped, categorized, and scored by the exact value. So now I can see, am I spending time on a task that is $10 an hour versus $1,000 hour work? And this is what AI needs. It doesn't need to know your task. It needs to know what actually matters and what is low-hanging fruit that is really good for automation. Everyone's trying to use AI to do tasks, write an email, summarize a document, but if AI knows exactly what you do and how you spend your time, what's high value versus low value, it's going to work so much better. And this time log, it's not a productivity tool, it's a training data set. Once AI has a few weeks of this data, it knows exactly what tasks you repeat, what drains your time, what drains your energy, what your actual priorities are, not what you think they are. And that's when you can start cloning yourself, because now AI knows what to clone. So the whole entire system is basically just three things, like I explained. You install Wispr Flow, again, free trial down below. You set a 15-minute timer. When it pings, you say exactly what you did, just 5 seconds, and then you log it in some data sheet. It could be Airtable, you can use Google Sheets, whatever you'd like. If you want me to share this exact format with you, I can also do that. Just let me know in the comments. And that's it. Like you're building the most valuable data set in your business, a data set of you. So if you want help setting this up, or if you want to see how I use this data to actually clone myself with AI agents, I do free accelerator calls one-on-one where I'll look at your workflow and I'll figure out exactly what should be automated first. I'll also leave the link for that in the pinned comments, and I only have 3 slots each week. So just out of curiosity, tell me in the comments, like, what are you doing right now to track your time, and what insights are you getting from that? I would love to know. All right, see you guys in the next video.